Hey, what's going on, guys? Oscar here from SOS Customz, and I wanted to give you guys a glimpse into refinishing a wide body kit, more specifically for this Lexus GS. This is a vehicle that we actually painted probably a couple years back, and AUTOFASHION, upgraded this gentleman with a new kit. So since we painted it, we got a chance to respray the whole kit. So let's take a look. We've just put some self tappers on here for now. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do on this bottom section. Everything else is ready for prep. We gotta do a repair on this other fender flare. Looks like it's been rubbing and it broke the fiberglass. We gotta repair that for these guys. And after that, just get everything ready for paint. So that's it. After priming these with a nice epoxy primer, we went ahead and hit with 320 and 400. Now these things are ready for paint. The quality of this kit is really nice. I love the quality. AUTOFASHION always works with nothing but the best. So definitely nice kits. It's not your typical fiberglass kits. I think this is more of it's like a FRP, so it's definitely nice quality, not wavy at all, nice and solid. No real repairs. Got a couple of little small imperfections, but that's expected. But nothing crazy. This thing will be ready for paint this week. So we got all the parts in the booth now. We're laying down the sealer and gonna shoot some paint tonight. So that way tomorrow we can let it bake all day and get this car ready to turn in. So let's take a look what we got going on. guys, I just got here to the shop, and last night Richard was laying down the sealer as I got back to the shop, and I think he got the rest of it into paint. So let's check it out and see if he got it done. Turn on the lights. Oh yeah, oh yeah. From SOS Customz, excited to show you this GS300 we did the body work and paint on. Let's do a little walkthrough.
What's up, man? I'm Freddie from AUTOFASHION. We're over here at SOS Customz. We want to thank them for getting out the Lexus, the blue one, and they did a great job on that. And then we also got they're helping us out on the Z that we got for SEMA. It's going to be going into Toyo. They're doing like all the interior stuff for it, the dash. The thing was like just destroyed, and they're going to work their magic on that. And I always trust these guys to do the best that they can, and it's gonna be great. So yeah, just check it out. SEMA 2019 Road to SEMA.
There you go.